Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha. Welcome to Veda Janani. Shri Devi Atharva Sirsham. What is Devi Atharva Sirsham? This is also called as Devi Atharva Sirshopanishad, which means it is a part of Upanishad, which is again a part of Veda. This is also called as Shukta from Atharva Veda, which is in fact borrowed from Rig Veda, the mantras 1 to 8 of 125th Sukta of 10th Adhyaya of the 10th Mandala. This Upanishad is a link between philosophy and techniques, Tantra. Yogic techniques do not go very far without proper philosophy. This Shukta is considered to be very important in Atharva Veda. It is a tradition to recite this Devi Atharva Sirsham before chanting Durga Saptashati, otherwise called Devi Mahatmyam. It is very much believed that Durga Devi is invited by chanting the Devi Atharva Sirshopanishad before Parayanam of Devi Saptashati. She is seated on Simhasanam and she listens to our complete chanting of Saptashati and blesses us. Devi Atharva Sirsham is a collection of verses praising the Hindu goddess Chandi Durga. It describes her as the source of all creation, including nature, humanity, and the self. She is described as both knowledge and the absence of knowledge, as well as birth and unborn. The verses praise her as holding up the gods and placing other deities. She is thanked for rewarding worship with prosperity. The gods and devatas offer prayers to her for blessings. Overall, Devi Atharva Sirsham sings the praises of Durga's divine power and role of creation. This should be chanted by pronouncing the aksharas properly and proper sound. Deep meaning of this Atharva Sirsham is most important. When chanted after knowing the meaning, the mantra brings calmness, stability, and a peaceful state of mind. It also protects from negative influences, removal of obstacles, and the attainment of spiritual wisdom and power. It is also said to bestow blessings of wealth, prosperity, and good health. Additionally, the text is thought to grant Vaksiddhi, the power of speech, and ensure the presence of divinity. Let's see the meanings in detail. Sarve vai deva devi mupatastuhu kasitvam mahadeviti. All the gods and devatas asked the goddess, "Hey great goddess, who are you?" Sa bravit aham brahmaswarupini mattah prakriti purushatmakam jagat shunyancha shunyancha. Devi replies, "I am essentially Brahman. From me has processed the world comprising Prakriti and Purusha. I am the void and the abundance and completeness. Ahamananda nanandau, aham vijnana vijnane, aham brahma brahmani veditavye, aham panchabhutanya panchabhutani, aham akhilan jagat." She continues, "I am all the forms of bliss and non-bliss. Knowledge and ignorance are myself. Aham vijnana vijnane. Brahman and non-Brahman, which are said in Vedas, are myself. Brahma Brahmani Veditavye. I am the Panchabhutas, that is, I am the five elements, and also what is different from them. I am the whole universe. Aham Akilan Jagat. Vedohama Vedoham, Vidyahama Vidyaham, Ajaham Anajaham, Adhashchodhvancha Tiryak Chaham. She continues to say, I am Veda, which is knowledge about Brahma, and also I am no knowledge. I am the learning and I am the ignorance. I am the unborn, I am the born. Ajaham Manajaham. I am up, down, crosswords. Tiryak Chaham. She is beyond the creation as indicated by Brahma, or the non-manifest state called a Brahma. Aham rudrebhirvasubhisharam ahamaadityai ruta vishwadevaihi aham mitra varuna bhau bibarbhyamindragni ahamashvinobha. I move about in form of Rudra and Vashu. Rudrebhirvasu Visharam. I move about as Aditya and all gods. Vishwadevaihi. I sustain and maintain Mitra, Varuna, Indra, Agni, and both the Ashwini Devatas. Aham Soman Twashtaram, Oshanam Bhagandadhami. Aham Vishnumurukramam Brahmana Muta Prajapatin Dadhami. I uphold Soma, Twasta, Usha, and Bhaga. I bring Vishnu with wide footsteps, Brahma and Prajapati. Aham dadami dravinam havishmate, supravye yajamanaya sunvate. Aham Rashtri Sangamani Vasunan, Chikitushi Prathama Yajñiyanam. Aham Tsuve Pitaramasya Murdhan Mamayoni Rapsva Antas Samudre. Ya evam Veda Sadevim Sampadamapnoti. She says here, I bring wealth with Havi for Yajaman who gives the best Havi to gods and Devatas. I am the empress of this whole world, whole universe. I give wealth to my worshippers. I am the observer among the first, those who worship. I create on myself the primordial elements like Akasha. My abode is in the waters of Samudra. Those who know my essence in the water of the inner sea, the one who knows this obtains divine wealth and attains the goddess abode. Te deva abhruvan. Namo devyai mahadevyai shivayai satatannamaha namah prakritiyai bhadrayai niyataf pranatasmatam. After hearing to what Jagadamba said, all the devas replied, Te deva abhruvan. Devi, our namaskarams to you. O great goddess, we always do namaskara to you, who is Shiva's Patni and who is beneficial to all. You are the one who is nature and who is graceful. We the followers of your rules, we pay our respects to you, Devi. Tam Agnivarnam tapasa jvalantim vairochanim karma phaleshu jushtam Durgam Devim Sharanam Prapadya Maheshuran Nashayitriyai Te Namaha. She who is in the color of Agni, shining with knowledge, tapasa jvalantim, bright, being worshipped, to obtain the fruit of actions, karma phaleshu, and we are in your refuge, Devi. Hey Devi, the destroyer of Ashura, namaskarams to you. Devim vachamadhanayanta devastam vishwarupah pashavo vadanti sano mantreshya murjanduhana dhenurvagasmanu pashishtudaitu. Devatas of the form of prana created the shining vak, which is spoken by animals of all types. She, like a Kamadhenu, who is the giver of everything, pleasure giving, giving food and strength, let Vak be satisfied by our prayers and come near us, O Devi. कालरात्रिं ब्रह्मस्तुतां वैष्णवीं स्कन्दमातरं सरस्वतीं अदितिं दक्षदुहितरं नमामः पावनां शिवाम्. हे Parashakti, you are the Kalaratri who is the controller of a night and time. You are Vaishnavi, the power of Vishnu, prayed by Vedas. You are mother of Skanda, who is Parvati. You are Saraswati, Brahma's Shakti. You are mother of gods, Aditi, and daughter of Daksha, Sati. You are the destroyer of sins, Bhagavati. We convey our namaskarams to you. Mahalakshmyai cha vidmahe sarvashaktiyai cha dhimahi tanno Devi prachodayat. Devi Mahalakshmi, who is very powerful, I meditate on you. May you direct us in correct direction, Devi. Atidirhya janishta dakshayatu hitatava tam deva anvajayanta bhadra amrita bandavaha. Hey Daksha, your daughter Aditi gave birth to immortal gods who all are devatas and they are worth praying. कामोयोनि कामकला वज्रपाणिर्गुहाहस मातरिश्वाभ्रमिन्द्रः पुनर्गुहा सकला मायया च पुरुच्यैषा विश्वमातादिविद्यो. The above 4 lines are the root knowledge about the mother of the whole universe and an aspect of Brahma. The Mula Mantra gives the energy for meditation. This is very important mantra for Tantra. Few people in the public platforms just like that utter the important Mula Mantra and give meanings to the level of individual aksharas. The above 4 lines are not being explained in this audio. It has to come through an appropriate and a true guru and should be explained directly. Let's proceed with the next mantra. Esha Atma Shaktihi, Esha Vishwamohini, Pashankusha Dhanur Banadhara, Esha Shri Mahavidya, Ya Evam Veda Sashokan Tarati. Namaste Astu Bhagavati Matarasman Pahi Sarvataha. The Devas continue to tell Devi, Hey Devi, you are the power of Paramatma and you are the one to bewitch and captivate all. You put on Pasha, Ankusha, bow and arrows. You are Shri Mahavidya. The one who knows all the above well will overcome all sadness of life. Shokan Tharate. Uma Bhagavati, my namaskarams to you. Devi, please protect us all in all possible ways. Pahi Sarvataha. Saishashtau Vasavaha. Saishaika Dasharudraha, Saisha Dvadashadityaha, Saisha Vishve Devaha, Somapa Asomapascha, Saisha Yatudhana Asura Rakshamsi, Pishacha Yaksha Siddhaha, Shaisa Sattvaradastamansi, Saisha Brahma Vishnu Rudra Rupini, Saisha Prajapatindra Manavaha, Saisha Graha Nakshatra Jyotinshi Kalakashtadi Kalarupini Tamaham Pranaumi Nityam Papapa Harinim Devim Bhukti Mukti Pradayinim Anantam Vijayam Shuddham Sharanyam Shivadam Shivam. She is the 8 Vasus, Ashtau Vasavaha. She is the 11 Rudras, Ekadasha Rudraha. She is the 12 Adityas, Dvadashaditya. She is the all gods who has consumed or not consumed the Somapanam, Somapa, Asomapascha. She is Yatudhana, Raksha, Ashura, Pishacha, Rakshasha, and Siddha. She is all the Triguna Sattvaradastamamsi. She is the Rupam of Brahma, Vishnu, and Rudra. She is Prajapati, Indra, and Manu. Prajapati Indra Manavaha. She is the planets, stars, and constellations. She is various measures of time. She is the destroyer of sin. She is the granter of both enjoyment and moksha without end. She is pure, worth taking refuge, the giver of peace. She is Shiva's Patni. We bow to you, Devi, Shivatam Shivam. वियदीकार संयुक्तं वीतिहोत्र समन्वितम् अर्धेन्दुलसितं देव्या बीजं सर्वार्थ साधकम्. You are the one who is mixed with darkness. Likewise, you are the one who is united with fire. Devi, your Bijam has all the power to fulfill all the desires of everyone. Bijam Sarvartha Sadhakam. एवमेकाक्षरं ब्रह्म यतयः शुद्ध चेतसः ध्यायन्ति परमानंद मया ज्ञानांबुराशयः. That supreme aksharam of yours, which is Brahman, is meditated upon by the yogis with pure mind. By thus meditating, they attain bliss and ocean-like wisdom. वाङ्माया ब्रह्मसूस्तस्मात् षष्ठौ वक्त्र समन्वितं सूर्यो वामश्रोत्र बिंदु संयुक्तष्टात् तृतीयकः. नारायणेन सम्मिश्रो वायुश्चाद्धर युक्ततः विच्छे नवार्णकोर्णस्यान् महदानन्ददायकः. As said before, the above four lines are again described about the Navakshari Moola Mantra, a very powerful mantra of Sri Chandika Devi. It has to be explained by a guru, true guru, directly in person. Kritpundarika Madhyastam Prata Surya Samaprabham Pashankusha Dharam Saumyam Varada Bhaya Hastakam Trinetram Rakta Vasanam Bhaktagama Dugham Bhaje नमामि त्वां महादेवीं महाभय विनाशिनीं महादुर्ग प्रशमनीं महाकारुण्यरूपिणीं. In the midst of my lotus of my heart, Devi, you are shining like a sun, radiant and beautiful in appearance, holding Pasha and Ankusha with beautiful looks, with the hands in Varada and Abhaya Mudra, with 3 eyes and wearing beautiful red cloth. We worship you, Devi, the goddesses who fulfills all the wishes of her devotees. I offer my namaskarams to the goddesses who destroys fearsome troubles, eliminating mighty obstacles. I bow to you, Mahadevi, who is the embodiment of compassion, Mahakarunya Rupini. Yasya Swarupam Brahmadaya na jananti tasma duchyate atgneya. Even Brahma and other gods do not know how your real form is. That is your real Rupam. So she is called Agneya. Yasya anto na labhyate tasma duchyate ananta. She who has no limits and limitless. So she is called Ananta. Yasya lakshyam nopalakshate tasmaduchyate alakshya. She who cannot be understood what her thoughts are. So she is called Alakshya. Yasya jananam nopalabhyate tasmaduchyate aja. Her birth is not known. So she is called Aja. Ekaiva sarvatra vartate tasmaduchyate eka. She is found one, alone, everywhere and filled all alone everywhere. So she is called Eka. Ekaiva Vishwarupini Tasmad Uchyate Naika. She alone has taken up all the various forms. So she is called Naika. अत एवोच्यते अज्ञेया नंदा लक्ष्या जैका नैकेति. These reasons she is called the unknowable, the endless, the incomprehensible, the unknown, the one, and the many. मंत्राणां मातृका देवी शब्दानां ज्ञानरूपिणी ज्ञानानां चिन्मयातीता शून्यानां शून्यसाक्षिणी यस्याः परतरं नास्ति सैषा दुर्गा प्रकीर्तिता तां दुर्गां दुर्गमां देवीं दुराचार विघातिनीं नमामि भवभीतोऽहं संसारार्णव तारिणीम्. Amma Devi, you are the source of all mantras. She is incomprehensible even in meditation. She is above everything. She is the void, the empty space of nothingness. She is also the witness to that empty space. There is nothing better than her, whom we call Durga. I offer my namaskarams to you, Amma Durga. You are difficult to know, the destroyer of sins. I am afraid of this samsara sagaram, and you are the one who is taking me in the boat to come out of the difficulties of the ocean of samsara, Devi. Itamatharva sesham yotite sapanchatharva sesha japa palam avapnoti. One who recites this atharva sesha gets the phalam of reciting all the 5 Atharva Seshopanishads. Idham Atharva Sesham Nyatva Yorcham Sthapayati Shatalaksham Prajaptvapi Sorcha Siddhinna Vindati. The one who establishes and worships an image without knowing the meaning of this Atharva Sesha will not get any benefit even if he does 100 millions of recitation. शतमष्टोत्तरं चास्य पुरश्चर्या विधिस्मृतः दशवारं पठेत्यस्तु सद्यः पापैः प्रमुच्यते महादुर्गानि तरति महादेव्या रसादतः. The repetition of this 108 times, that is method of the Purascharana. Even repeating 10 times makes him free of sins due to the grace of Mahadevi. Sayamadhiyano divasakritam papan ashayati. Chanting this in the morning, one's sins are destroyed. That is, one destroys the sins of the night. Prartaradhiyano ratrikritam papan ashayati. Chanting this in the night, one destroys the sins of the morning. Sayam pratah prayunjano apapo bhavati. One who chants both morning and evening, all his sins are destroyed. He becomes sinless. Nishithe turiya sandhyayam japtva vaksiddhir bhavati. Chanting this in the Turiya Sandhya time, one will get power in this speech. Nutanayam pratimayan japtva devada sanidhyam bhavati. Whoever recites this before a new idol, the idol will acquire divine nature and divine power. Pranapratishtayam japtva prananam pratishtha bhavati. By reciting this, the goddess will give pranashakti to that idol. Bhaumashvinyam Mahadevi Sannidhau Japtva Mahamrityantarati Sa Mahamrityantarati Ya Evam Veda Ityupanishate. Reciting this on Tuesday, which combines with Ashwini Nakshatra, in the presence of the great goddess Durga, one will overcome death. The one who knows the secret will surely overcome the death. Sa Mahamrityam Tarati. Bhadram karne bhishunyama devaha. Hey Deva, let my ears hear only good things. Bhadram pashe maksha bhirya jatraha. Let my eyes see only good things. Sirerangais tushtuvagum sasthanubihi. Vyashema Devahitam Yadayuhu. With steady limbs, with body, praising, let us enjoy the life allotted by the gods to us. Swastina Indro Vridhashavaha. May God Indra grant us well-being. Swastina Pusha Vishwavedaha. May Pushan and other devatas grant us well-being. Swastina Starksho Arishtanemihi. May Tarksha the Garuda grant me an unrestricted and unobstructed life. Swastino Brihaspati Dadatu. Let Guru Brihaspati grant us all well-being. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.